Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this was a trend on TikTok and I wanted to try it for the longest, and it's coffee and lemon with some hot water. Of course, I always have to be honest with you guys. So I am actually testing it for a month. So after a month I'll be up back with an update. So stay tuned. So all you need is some coffee and of course the lemon and your hot water, and you're going to use 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 lemon juice, and your hot water. And like I said, I'll be testing this for a month. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also, you can try it out with me. I'm currently a week in, so you would be a week behind, and then you could come back on this video and drop your comments and let me know if you see results, because your girl don't fake these challenges, she be trying them for real, okay? So yeah, but I hope you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm putting out so far. If you haven't subscribed already, if you're new to my channel, hey, and make sure you turn that notification bell on after you subscribe, and stay tuned because I got loads of great content coming to you guys. Just stay tuned and please engage y'all. That's what the comment section is there for. I would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. That's how you help your girl to be discoverable on YouTube. And yeah, and now I'm gonna share some benefits of coffee and lemon. Love you guys.